Hey guys, so I'm here at Chris Harney to start my 2-week elective radiology. I'm a bit late because I struggled to find parking for like 15 minutes, but I got parking now and I have to just do search for radiology. Let's find it. Hey guys, I'm back from radiology. It is like 5 o'clock. I'm not sure if you will be able to see that. 5 o'clock, so it was a very long day. Very long day. I met up with the doctor. She just took me through all the radiology departments and what have you. And then after that, I met up with like a registrar and an MO that's in radiology now. And I just sat with them, did some scans with them, did a lot of CTs, a lot of like chest breast cancer, and a lot of cancer. Especially like there was one case that took like 2 hours with a lady who had like multiple like lytic lesions and primary cancer in her chest, and so that took very long. And we did like meningiomas and a lot of things like that. So I sat with her and we did the things. Also, I went with her when she injected dye. I learned a lot of things about anatomy, blood supply, all those kinds of things. It was a very, very good day. Hopefully tomorrow is the same. Hey guys, welcome back to day 3 of radiology. I also don't think I spoke a lot on camera yesterday. So yesterday was quite chilled. I was from 8 to 10, I was in CT again. And I was very chilled. I spoke to a doctor there, an MO, just about why he chose radiology, why he wants to be a radiologist. He showed me how to read like a brain CT scan properly. We talked a lot of things about AI in radiology, if you're scared of AI in radiology. We talked about a lot of things like stroke. I know you only have 4 hours to treat a stroke with like thrombotic therapy, but you need a brain CT before you can start. And I asked him if that actually happens in South Africa or in Johannesburg, and he said it doesn't really happen, and it's because it takes so much time for the person to get here, then get the scan, and then get the scan read. Because there was actually a stroke scan that he showed me. So we talked about a lot of things, and then after that, at around 11 actually, we went to intervention, but they were busy, so I actually just switched my days up and went to screening. But at screening, I sat there for like an hour and a half around, and nothing happened. Didn't get to do anything, just sitting around. So then I just called it a day. We're back here for day 3. I hope it's a good day. I'm going to try and like film more things. It's difficult because you can't film a lot of things. I'm going to try and show you as much as I can. Let's hope it's a good day. You can see 2 aneurysms there and there. Hey guys, welcome back. So it is currently 3 o'clock. I'm back from day 3 of infectious disease. It wasn't bad today. My feet is killing me. So I joined the intervention radiology today. So a lot of intervention type of things we did. I did manage to get some more footage and stuff, which I'll show you guys. But it wasn't bad. The first case we had was a liver biopsy. So ultrasound guided liver biopsy. We also had a kidney biopsy. We also had like a massive ovarian ovarian slash, I don't know, mass, like epigastric mass. It's like a 6-year-old child or something. So it is weird, but it's difficult because you shouldn't hit the bowel. So that was quite difficult to get a nice biopsy there. And in the last case, I'm not sure what you call it. I think you call it like a nephroscopy or something like that. It's basically where you put in the tube into the kidney itself in order to drain the urine out. That was quite intense because it's ultrasound guided and also scan guided, so you have to wear those lead protection things, and it took like 3 or 4 hours, and we were standing for 3 or 4 hours because you can't sit with those things on. So we were standing, and that thing is heavy, and yeah, it was actually quite tough. The one kidney the doctor couldn't get in. There's like a dysmorphic kidney, he didn't even have a urethra. And then the other one, he could get in quite easily, and then you have to suture it up. And then after that, I was done. So it was a good day. I'm not sure if interventional radiology is for me personally, but it was a good day. Nevertheless, got to see things, got to do something. So yeah. Hey guys, we have arrived for day 4, I think it's Thursday. I sat for more than an hour in traffic now on my way here. They're protesting on the highways and that. But hey, we made it. Hopefully today is a good day. Hey guys, so I'm back from day 4 of radiology. It's like 2 o'clock, so it's pretty early. Not a bad day, nothing really happened. I was in CT again. This morning I was an hour in traffic. It was terrible, but it wasn't bad. The only thing that happened that was quite interesting is I was chilling in CT, and like when they come to CT on, I'll go through with the MO with it, and we'll do it, but there's a lot of times where he has to go up and down, and he has to talk with other interns and doctors and other radiologists about cases, and so I'm just sitting there then, and I'm sitting in the entrance. So when you come into CT, I'm sitting there because that's only open space. The other 2 doctors are sitting like on my left hand side. So you come in, you see me, and then you turn and you see the other 2 doctors. See if I have footage of that. Maybe I'll get some tomorrow, of how it is set up, and then I'll overlay it here. So I was sitting like that, and every time someone comes in, they want to talk to me. Then I tell them I'm a student, but talk to the doctor there, and then they go there. And today someone came in. I didn't really know her. I have seen her before. I don't know who it is. She was there previously, and she's like, "Are you a registrar?" But like with an attitude. And I'm like, "No, I'm a student." And she said, "Oh, because every time I come in here, you sit with your chair behind like this." And I'm like, and I'm thinking by myself, like, what rate you sit like that, and what. Something. So just to quickly orient you so that you understand better, this is where the doctor entered, the one that was querying how I'm sitting on the office chair. She entered here. This is the office layout. So I was basically looking left over my shoulder. As you can see, it's normal office chairs like those you see in any office. One you can just sit back on and like lean on and swivel on. It's a normal office chair. Something like that. So it is an office chair, those office chairs that you can like lean back on and it can swivel, and that's what it's made for, It's a normal office chair. You can swivel back. All of them do that. And I was like, yeah, no, I'm just a student. And then she said something like, if you do that with the chairs, they will break. Like eventually they'll break. And in my head I'm thinking like, that's what the chair is made for. Like eventually any chair will break. Like if you give it a long enough time, it will break. Anything is going to break if you give it a long enough time. But the chair is made to do that. It has a lever in order to like lean back and swivel. So I didn't say anything. So I just like sat in like more upright. And the 2 doctors were discussing. So the doctor that gave me shit was discussing with our doctor. And then as I was doing that, she said, "Oh, I guess you don't want to listen to me." I'm like, and then the other 2 doctors just laughed it off. So they didn't want conflict, but I wanted to tell her like, it's like saying your car door will break if you open and close it it will break. Like, that's the same thing, because a car door is made to be open. Some office chair is made to be leaned back on. So she had a very, very nasty attitude. And then afterwards, actually the MO, like me and he is quite good friends now. He's just like, Dylan, don't worry about it. She's like that. Don't let it upset you. Don't let she get on your skin. I'm like, it didn't really, but it's so unnecessary. I was saying to him, like, I'm a student rotating in radiology, meaning I have an interest in radiology, and now you are taking that interest away from me because you, I don't know, have a bad day. I don't know what's going on. And he's like, yeah, no, that's not very smart. If you want people in your specialty, then you should treat the students at least with some sort of respect, you know what I mean? So that was that. And for shame, the doctor, the MO that spoke to me, I don't really want to say his name, but he's so nice. Like, yeah, such a good guy. He told me, in medicine, that's going to happen a lot. As an intern, consultants and registrars going to talk badly with you, and then you just have to find a way to deal with it. Just don't let it get to you. Don't let it get under your skin. And I'm like, yeah, no, definitely not. It didn't get under my skin. The only thing I have an issue with is like the disrespect. It's like, it doesn't get under my skin. It's just I want to say something back. I want to defend myself. But the other doctors laughed it off, so I just didn't say anything. And then afterwards they were like, don't worry about it. It's like, she's like that, don't stress. So yeah, if you are a doctor watching this, or you are someone that's going to be a doctor, or you're someone in a position of power, handle the people that want to be in your shoes one day with some sort of respect. Don't be that guy. Be the doctor that you wanted when you were a student, basically. That's my word of advice for today. But it wasn't bad. I'm done. I'm gonna chill now. So yeah. Hey guys, so it's day 5 today of radiology. I hope it's gonna be a good day. I'm gonna try and work in the MRI section today. So learn some MRIs, how it works, how to read one, etc. Let's see if that goes well, and if I can manage to like get someone there to like show me around. But yeah, I'll take you guys along for the journey, hopefully get some good footage and what have you. But yeah, hey guys, it is actually Monday morning. So Friday radiology was actually pretty chilled, too chilled. Like, I didn't get anything to do. Then I'm scheduled for like peds, and then I go to peds. Well, I struggle to find peds. I don't really want to help me to go to peds, and then I get peds, and then I don't find anyone to like shadow or anything like that. So yeah, I didn't really enjoy radiology as much as I thought I would. So actually last night I decided to change. So I'm doing 1 week of hematology at Charlotte, which is also nice because Charlotte is like very close to me, 5 kilometers, whereas Cresani is like 30 kilometers. So that's also a drag, driving there every day, driving back, especially if you drive there and there's really nothing for you to do. So yeah, I'm starting my hematology elective now. So if you want to see that video, I'm also going to vlog it. Subscribe to my channel, and then that video will also be out within a week or so. But yeah, I'll take you guys along with the journey, and thank you for watching this video.